What's up?
Hello.
How you doing?
Is I'm ugly?
What? Nah,
Am I ugly?
you look straight. Why you say that?
Cause why I get skipped like by 10 people? I'm ugly or
I
something.
ain't skip you. You feel me? Yo, come back. You feel me? Come chat with me real quick. Let me holler at you real quick. How you
That
doing?
was so like embarrassing.
How you doing?
Maybe-
You gonna answer my question?
What? I'm sorry.
I said, how are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing very good. What's your name?
Amber.
Amber. Like Amber Rose? Type shit.
Yeah.
Type shit. I fuck with it. I fuck with it.
What's yours?
My name Jordan.
We should do live stream.
Nah, why you say that?
Cause I don't like that. I was about to skip to say again.
Why you say that?
Cause I don't like that.
You don't like what?
Being on people's live stream.
Have you been on somebody's live stream before?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Nah, I don't be doing none of that. You feel me? I be chilling for real. You looking so hard.
I'm trying to see through your glasses.
What's wrong with my glasses, dog? It's the computer. Like, yo, you really trying to investigate. It's the computer. It's literally the laptop, dog. You really trying to investigate. That's some weird shit.
Yeah. What you do? YouTube?
Nah, why you say that?
Your name says Sway JTV.
Yeah, that's just my little brother laptop. So I just be coming on this joint, you feel me? Just messing around. You feel me?
Oh.
Type shit. Why? How old you is?
I'm 17. How about you?
You 17?
Yes.
Right here it say 19, but I'm gonna let it rock though. I'm 19.
You're what?
I'm 19.
Your name was what again?
Oh, you forgot my name that fast?
Huh?
So you forgot my name that fast?
It's J.
I just said it. Huh?
What you start with again?
What? You said what it start
What?
with? That's J.
J.
It start with a J.
Joseph.
Whoa, Joseph? You wasn't
I'm
listening
sorry, I
at all.
forgot. What is it?
You wasn't listening at all. I ain't gonna say it again.
I was.
I don't repeat myself, so you feel me? That's one thing I don't do. You feel me, Miss Amber? I say, you hear me, Miss Amber? Type shit. Yo, what you in high school? Shit, he was a young boy, man. I can't be talking to you.
You in college?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
What college you go to?
Shit, I can't say all that. Wait, where you from?
Huh?
Where you from?
Oh, Kansas. How about you?
Kansas.
Kansas City.
Kansas, make them like that. I might have to go out to Kansas. I ain't gonna lie. I might go out to Kansas one day.
Yeah, no.
Shit, if I go out to Kansas, you gonna give me the tour? I ain't never been
Of
to
course.
Kansas. Of course? Type shit. Take my gram down then. Feel me? Feel me?
Okay.
You ready?
Hold on.
What's up with you?
Huh?
So what's up with you?
Nothing.
Where? How your day going?
It's okay.
Why you sound sad?
Cause I'm bored.
Cause you bored. Shit, you talking to me now. We ain't no, feel me? We about to get rid of that boredom. But how was your day? You said it was good. Where you from?
Seattle.
Seattle. Shit. Okay. What y'all got going on out there in Seattle? What's the verdict?
Nothing.
Nothing. So you be that bored. Shit, you can't even go outside type shit. It's that boring. Lie, you gotta come visit me now. Feel me?
How old are you?
Shit. How old I look?
18,
If you had to guess, I'm like 18. How old are you?
15.
You know what? Oh, hi.
What's up?
The light skinness is crazy.
What's wrong with light skin?
How are you?
What's wrong with
Nothing.
light
I am a light skin.
skin? Shit.
I am a light skin.
So then why you just try? Feel me? Why you just try to bring that energy?
I was just saying, you light skin.
What, you don't like light skins?
Nothing. I love light skins.
Type shit. I feel that. Feel me? I like light skins too. So I think we got something in common.
Oh,
So
really?
we got common ground. You feel me? Both like light skins. Type shit. But what's your name though?
Mimi.
Mimi. How old are you?
18.
Type shit. And where you from?
Cali.
From where? Cali? Cali, that's a little too far from me. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't going out Cali no time soon. Huh?
Where you from?
Shit. The Rizz. Rizz, man. Oh shit. What's up with you?
What do you mean?
Don't skip. Don't skip. You feel me?
Alright,
Feel
my
me?
bad.
Don't skip. Yeah. Type shit. What's your name?
My name's Natalie.
Natalie. That's a nice name. How
What's
you
your
doing today,
name?
Natalie?
I'm okay. How are
doing
you?
today? Doing very good. Fantastic. My day got better. You feel me?
Why?
Because I'm talking to Natalie.
Okay.
Where you from?
Pennsylvania.
Shit. Pennsylvania? Oh, you real close to me. I ain't gonna say where I'm from. You feel me? But you real close.
Why?
You real close though. We just gonna, you feel me? Just leave it at that. But what you smoking? Vape pen? Shit. Why you be smoking them?
It's for my anxiety.
You got a little bad anxiety?
Yeah.
I feel you on that. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot. I ain't know what else to say. I ain't know what else to say.
What's up?
What's up with you?
Wait, do you have YouTube? You have YouTube or some shit?
Nah, I be chilling. Why you say
Twi-
that?
Why did it says TV? So it's either Twitch, Discord, or fucking YouTube.
I don't do none of them.
Okay, so where'd you get the TV?
This my little brother. This my little brother laptop. So I just be messing around on here. I don't know what he got going on.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. I don't know what he got going on.
So if I look that up on like YouTube,
go ahead, look it up.
it's not gonna be you.
Nah, it's not gonna be me. Why you think it's gonna be me? Well, hold up. Let's, you know what I'm saying? Let's change the topic though. Feel me? How you doing?
I'm good. How are you,
I'm doing good. What's your name?
Mandy? Fuck, my hair will not work today.
How old are you, Mandy?
I'm 17.
Oh, you a little too young for me. I ain't gonna lie.
So too young.
Too young for me.
Oh,
How old do I look? I probably look young.
you look 20.
Yeah, man.
You actually do. How old are you?
That's the first time I got that. I'm 19.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah,
I'm gonna look you up, and I swear to God.
what you looking me up for?
Well, I'm
right
looking
here in the flesh. You don't gotta look me up if I'm right here.
That is
What you
true.
looking up?
Bro, I'm looking up the fucking TV shit.
Oh man, you crazy.
I like your glasses though.
Oh, you like them? Appreciate it.
Yes. Okay, wait. You sure I'm not gonna find you?
Yeah, positive.
Positive.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. That ain't you. That is someone else. Okay.
Exactly. I told you wasn't gonna find me. I told you, dog. You felt like I was lying to you.
That's what's up.
Tell the truth around here.
You do. You're honest. You're honest.
Feel me?
Yes.
Yeah. Hey, I have a question.
What's up?
Where are you from?
Shit,
I mean, it said so. It's yeah. So, anyways, wait. What's your name?
Jordan.
Oh, Jordan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? Who's asking? What's your name?
Liana.
Type shit.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Different.
So, how was your day?
It was good. How was your day?
It was good.
You had a productive day?
Yeah, I got what I needed at the mall. So,
Type shit. What you caught?
I got a dress for this event tomorrow. So, yeah.
Alright, for sure. So what's
Uh,
up? Why you sitting in the dark? What's going on?
I mean, it's night, so my lights
It's
are on.
night.
What?
Okay, I just can't see who I'm talking to. You know what I'm saying? So,
I know, like my camera broke. I'm on my laptop, so.
your camera book, laptop. Sound like a lot of excuses, but hey man, I'm with it all.
Wait, how old are you?
How old do I look?
Okay, so you give me like you're in your 20s, but you have a young face, like the way you're acting, like the way you're acting, like 20, like 3, 24. But it says you're 20, but I don't know. Like people lie on here, so are you over the age of 20?
Yes. No.
No, you're not. Oh no.
No. Why? How old are you? You over 20?
Yes.
Over? How old are you? If
You
you don't
didn't
mind me asking.
First.
If you don't mind me asking. You want me to say my age first?
Yeah, and be honest too.
It's ladies first though. Like,
I know, but we're changing the rules.
My mama raised a gentleman. You feel me?
Right,
It's
but we're
ladies
changing the
first.
rules for today.
Why we gotta change the rules? First off, I can't even see your face.
Oh
First
my
off,
gosh.
So, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking to a ceiling right now.
It's not the ceiling.
Oh, I'm talking to a blank wall.
It's cracked. It's a cracked screen.
A cracked screen.
Okay,
I'll tell you my age.
are you
I'll tell you my
19?
age. Yes, I'm 19.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. You think I'm lying?
I mean, you could be like 17. You're like,
Do I look 17?
no,
All right then. I'm
but people
19.
don't look their age anymore.
That's true. That's
Mhm.
true. But I'm telling you that I'm 19.
Oh, okay.
Why? That was your only question? Yeah, another question?
Oh, I needed to know.
Huh?
I needed to know.
Why did you need to know?
It's important.
Do you like what you see?
Do I like what I see? I mean, you're cute.
Mm. I mean, I can't. I would return the favor. You feel me? But you know what I'm saying. It's
No,
kind
you
of
can't.
hard. It's kind of hard. You know what I'm saying? Judging off your voice though, you sound cute.
Thanks.
Got a nice voice.
Thanks.
Yeah. You got Instagram or something?
I do, but
But what? You don't be giving it out.
yeah.
Type shit. I see.
No,
I
but what's yours?
respect that.
I could look yours up
You
later.
want to look mine up?
Yeah, I could look it up later if you want to give it to me. It's up to you.